looks nice and juicy. Yummy. Ooh, can't wait to give that a try. Well, you guys ready? Chad, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Well, today we are going to... no, wait. You're not ready.
I'm ready.
You're not... You're ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Let's do this. Give me that camera. All right. We are going to do our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Mexican food style. Ooh, interesting. Yay. All right, well, let's do this. We're hungry. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah. Okay. All right. Come on, let's go.
Huh?
I need my purse, silly.
Really?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Ow. Okay.
Actually, the crazy thing is, we're not that far from the house.
What?
We're not that far from the house.
Wow. That's crazy.
That's crazy, huh?
That is crazy.
Kind of excited. Can't wait to try it. Are you ready, Chad? Try?
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, anyway, all right, we'll be right back. We're gonna go see if it's open yet or what. And sirens are coming. Okay, bye. All right, so it's over here. We'll show you. We'll take a picture of it and everything. But anyway, huh? I see the open sign. It says open, 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 open. Yep. Looks like we can go in and eat. But this is where we're going. They have, I don't know how many locations. I'm going to find out. This is location number 5. So we're going to find out. I'll let you guys know. I'll put everything down there. So maybe if you're local Las Vegas and you want to go to one that's near you. So we'll do that. And they'll have all that information. All right, let's go inside. You ready to go inside?
Yeah.
Too many noisy vehicles out here. All right, you guys, we're in here gonna make an order and see. So anything that you want to recommend? Because we haven't eaten here before.
Okay, well, the most popular we have the fries.
Mm-hmm.
The steak fries, chicken fries, or shrimp fries also.
Yeah, I was looking at that on the menu. Yeah.
Also, we have the nachos.
Uh-huh.
Something else like quesadillas, burritos, tacos.
Okay. I think maybe, Chad, come here. What did you want? A wet burrito? Uh-huh. And we'll try a steak fry.
The steak fries?
Yeah.
Okay. And the burrito, what kind of meat is it?
What kind of meat?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken with burrito? With everything on it?
Yes.
Alright.
And what kind of tacos are good?
The taco, we have pastor, chicken, carnitas, steak. I don't know which one you like better. We have fish tacos also, shrimp tacos. For the hard taco, we have shredded beef or shredded chicken also.
Okay. Well, what do you recommend?
The steak tacos are
This.
free.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll try that.
Which one? The steak?
Steak. Yeah.
Or one and one? One steak, one chicken, one shrimp?
Okay. Yeah. 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 That sounds good.
Okay. And any drink for you?
Just water is fine.
Water is fine?
Yeah.
Okay. And it's gonna for here, right?
Yes, please.
Alright.
Yay! We'll be back. Oh. Okay. Well, anyway, so they have 13 locations.
8.
No, 13. The guy said 13.
Oh.
It only showed 8 up over on the board over there. But they have 13. This is great. Well, I will put all the Google information below and everything.
Cool.
Chad, we got
Yummy.
steak fries, best in Nevada. Oh, I'm excited to try that. We got some steak fries. They're the best in Nevada. Yeah, that's great. Look at you order in our app and receive a free soda. So if you download the Riva's Real Mexican Grill app, you can get a free soda. So if you're here local, that's the way to go.
Do it.
Do it. But anyway, we made our order. Chad got the. What'd you
Wet.
get? Did you get chicken?
Yeah.
One of the wet burritos. We got chicken, and we'll show you guys. We got the steak fries, the best in Nevada. And what did I get? I got steak, taco, and a shrimp taco. There we go. All right. They have a lot of stuff. The fajitas, wings and fingers, fish tacos, lots of different fries, a lot of different burritos. And they actually open, I saw the business hours, they actually open at 8 a.m. So they do breakfast burritos and stuff like that too, and breakfast, which is really good. I like that.
Sounds tasty.
Sounds very tasty. But anyway, alright, so that's what's going on. Alright, so got a little salsa bar in the back over there, or right up front, I guess you can call it. And we got these like little pickled carrots and onions and jalapeno in there with some seasoning and stuff in it also. You can get, and then it got some green salsa, some red salsa, and I don't know which one's spicy or not, and then lime. And actually, here comes the food. Yummy. Oh my goodness gracious. All right. That's okay. Wow. Holy cow, that's a serving of food. Thank you. Whoa. Okay. Nice. Well, anyway, the food is here. And that is a serving of food, and those fries look freaking amazing. I'm so excited. Okay,
Wow.
that's Chad's wet burrito. Wet. Okay. My 2 tacos.
I'm gonna mix that, please.
Yeah, that's okay. That's good.
It's heavy.
Yeah. All right. Well, anyway, hold on. Let us get all set up. We'll be right back. All right. Back to the salsa bar.
It's
So it come with these. So Chad, let's try this and see how it tastes
I'll try
just
the
by
onion.
itself. Go ahead. I'm gonna try a carrot. Looks like it has like cheers.
Here's what?
Like Well, I like that. The salsa bar, the pickled vegetables, those are good. Got a little kick from the jalapeno,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And the carrot's still really crunchy, but it still has a lot of flavor. Tastes like it has like maybe oregano or
I don't know.
I'm not sure what that seasoning is, but that's okay. But we tried that, and then like I mentioned earlier, we got some green and red salsa. Oh, you want to try this so bad? It looks so yummy. Wait. Oh. That's okay though.
Now,
Got the tacos.
tacos. Shrimp and beef, right? Yeah.
Yep. Shrimp and steak.
Steak. Like
Beef is would be ground
Oh.
up. Steak would be like little chunks like this. I'm gonna try the fries. Go ahead, bud. Let's see what you think.
Ooh. Ooh.
Lefty, lefty, lefty.
Yeah, you're temporarily lefty too.
Yeah, I am actually.
Wow.
I can't see it, but look at that. I know you guys can.
Looks so good.
It looks delicious. Got some tomatoes and onions and cilantro over here, and a little bit of lettuce to eat with it. Man, that looks delicious. Oh, look at all this. That is one huge pile of fries. Holy cow. Oh. Delicious. Look at that. Wow. Okay. We're gonna cheers. It's alright. Okay, cheers, never mind.
Oh, well, skin.
Okay. That is delicious. I like it. I like it a lot. Yummy. You know what else I'm gonna try to do?
Burrito's good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
I want to squeeze some lime on there. That is one massive wet burrito there.
Yeah.
Mm. The fries are delicious. Mm.
It's really good.
These fries are delicious. Okay, time to get to my tacos. That's the shrimp. Look at that nice piece of shrimp right there. That looks good. This is the steak. So it's what I like to do is sprinkle the lime. Yummy. It's gonna be so delicious.
Yeah.
All right. Well, it's a little messy, so I'll feed you.
Okay.
It's just go ahead, try it. That's really good, huh? Well, let's see. Let's try this. Ow, ow, ow. Yeah. Can you hold it? Yeah. All right.
Huh.
So this is chicken, you said? Okay. It's a wet burrito, which means it's smothered in sauce with cheese melted on top. That chicken is really good. It didn't seem like I was like just chewing on the chicken. It seemed really tender, really nice. I like the sauce flavor. And then like the cheese was really good also. And I can taste rice in there. It looks like there's rice in there, huh? And definitely not overpowered by beans or anything like that. Which is really good. That's a really good burrito. I really recommend here. I like this place. My taco's kind of falling apart.
I honestly was just expecting beans and then a little bit of chicken, but
Yeah, I know. Me too.
yeah.
No, it's
But
good.
It's good.
And these fries are amazing. I really do think they're really good.
Oh.
Oh, could have stood up to their title. Best in Nevada. Well, okay. That steak taco was good. Time for the shrimp taco. Get a little bit of lime. Looks like it has a good couple pieces of shrimp in there. We're just gonna try it plain and go from there. I like the, by the way, I didn't say this earlier, but I really like the flavor of the tortilla. Corn tortilla, I believe it is, huh?
Maybe.
It's
big.
Okay. That is the best combination to get. A shrimp taco and the steak taco. Now don't mix it up with the beef. Don't get the beef.
Yeah.
Get the steak.
Beef is ground and steak is.
I believe that's how it goes. But that is delicious. That steak taco, the shrimp, they just like melted in your mouth. It was so good. Oh my goodness, gracious almighty. To go. So much left over. I just want to keep eating it, Chad.
Oh well.
I want to keep eating it. It is so yummy.
Okay.
The fries are the best. Any of their fries, the steak fries, they have carne asada fries, they have regular fries. Flies. Just kidding.
That too, I guess.
Okay. Anyway, that was almost a fail.
Yeah.
That's okay though. Whew. Cheers, you guys. One last bite. No, you can't. Yep. To go. So full. Chad, you can have it. Have some of it for your dinner.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
Yeah.
you have a full tummy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a full tummy too.
Nice.
Woo! We brought leftovers to go. Yummy. Well, anyway, I recommend coming here. Very good place, very good Mexican place to eat. Riva's Mexican Grill. You like it, Chad?
Yeah.
It was delicious.
This is location number 5.
Yeah, this is location number 5. That will be down there in the description below.
Description.
And they have 13 locations around town, and that will also be all down below in the description. But anyway, woo! Oh, that was a lot of food there, huh, Chad?
Yeah, it was.
Well, I mean, that was it. Recommended. And we wanted to say thank you very much for watching. Yeah, where are you running off to, bud?
I don't know.
All right, well, thank you so much, you guys. We really appreciate it, and we hope you enjoyed our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Ooh, Mexican style. Yummy. What? All right, you guys. Until next time, bye.